Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel Cyprian from Titech Consulting. Like you all know, my channel has been focusing on IT, cybersecurity, and I've put up a whole lot of videos, and I also do trainings. I train in risk management framework, which is the governance, risk and compliance part of cybersecurity. And 2021 has been a very beautiful year. I've ended my classes for 2021. So my next batch of classes will be starting February of 2022. However, I've been receiving a whole lot of calls, emails, inquiry that, hey, Emmanuel, what if I can't wait till February of 2022? Is there anything that I can do before then? So that is why I'm putting out this video. This video is meant to reiterate that I have a self-paced videos. I will put the link in the description of this particular video. The self-paced video is a recording of my online classes. It's a total of 7 videos with a minimum of 2.5 hours per video. In those videos, you will learn, the hands-on, the documentation, the processes. That is how I teach in my class. I recorded it. So you can watch the video at your own pace, at your own time, at your own schedule. You can reach out to me if you have any questions, while watching those videos. So I call them self-paced videos. So you can take advantage of those videos. You can subscribe to those videos. Now, those videos, you will have access to it for 3 months. But for this Yuletide season, for this holiday season, I'll be giving an extra 1 month bonus, to you if you purchase those videos. I'll be adding 1 extra month to you. That is, you'll have access to those videos for 4 months instead of 3 months. So if you need those videos, the self-paced videos, maybe you have taken the classes before, you want to refresh yourself, or you have taken the classes before, you feel that you needed more hands-on, or probably you're preparing for the certification exam, the CAP certification, so you need to brush up yourself, you can use the video. Or for some of you that are just coming, you want to get trained in risk management framework, these videos are helpful. You can take advantage of them. You can learn at your own pace, at your own time, at your own schedule, at your own, within your own comfort of your own home, whenever you want it. That is what these videos are meant for. So if you need this video, you want to subscribe to this video, please reach out to me. I'll put my email address, my phone number in the description of this particular video. I will also include details of that self-paced video on the description of this video. So take advantage of it. You don't need to wait until February when my live online classes will get started. Between now and February, you can get yourself situated and then hit the ground running come January of 2022. So that is the main purpose of this video, just to reiterate that you can purchase my self-paced videos. Call me for detail of the prices, call me for discount, and then call me, for more explanation of how it works. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you. Bye.